children. Today we are going to see the next exercise 1.3. Okay, using the given Venn diagram, write the elements of. Okay, they have given the diagram. Using this diagram, we have to write the what are the elements of some sets. Okay, so first what they are given is A. A means this first circle represents the A. Okay, so in the first circle, what are the elements? 2, 4, 7, 8, 10. So write all the elements. So that is the A elements. Write in the descending order. 2, 4, 7, 8 and 10. The first circle fully represents the A. Okay, next they are given B. B means the second circle represents the B part, but this 4 and 7 is included for both A and B. Okay, so you need not worry about that. We have written already 4 and 7 in A. How we can write in B? Okay, this 4 and 7 is the intermediate common part. This belongs to both A and B. So if in B part, take this next circle, this full circle. Okay, so what are the elements will come? 3, 4, 6, next 7, next 9 and next 11. Okay, so next is third subdivision. In third subdivision, A union B. So in A union B means write the A set first. What are the A sets which we have written already? Already we written 2, 4, 7, 8, 10. This is A set. Union. Next is B set. B, what are the elements? 3, 4, 6, 7, 9 and 11. Okay, so this is your A and union, this is your B. So union means what you have to write? You have to join the whole elements, but if the elements are repeated means you have to write only one time. See here, 2. Okay, next is after 2, 3 is there. 3 write all, join all things. Union means you have to join, but you should write the element only one time. Next 4 means you have 2 4s, but you have to write only 1 4. Next is 5. There is no 5. Next is 6. Okay, only 1 6, so we written. 7 means here also you have 7, here also you have 7, but you have to write only one time. Next only 1 8 and 1 9 and 10, 11. So this is your A union B. Union means joining the sets, but the repeated element should be only one time. Next is A intersection. 2, 7, 8, 10. This is A intersection 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 11. Intersection means common elements alone you have to write. Here 4 is common. Here also 4 is common. Next 7 and 7. No other element is common. So intersection means common. 4, 7. So that is your A intersection B. Next is A minus B. So 2, 4, 7, 8, 10. Write the A part minus 3, 4, 6, 7, 9 and 11. Okay. Common terms you cancel it. 4, 4 and 7, 7. Okay. If what are the remaining? All will think that the remaining means this 2, 8, 10 and 3, 6, 9, 11. But that is wrong. In set language and in sets, if A minus B means you have to write the remaining part of the first set. Okay, you should leave the second set and you should take only the first set and see what are the remaining 2, 8 and 10. So A minus B. Okay, next is B minus A means write 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 11 minus 2, 4, 7, 8, 10. Here the common elements are 4, 4 and 7, 7. Here how will you write? You have to take only the first set. You should leave the second set. The remaining part of the first set. 3, 6, 9 and 11. In subtraction of the set language, you should take only the first set in the subtraction. You should leave the second one. Okay, next A dash. What is A dash? U minus A. What is U? U means the whole universal set. The whole set means what it? In the diagram, what are the elements they have given? This is A part and this is B part. But you have 1 and 12, right? So this is the universal part. So you must include this also. So the whole universal represents the U. So according to that, you can write universal means whole. Okay, so I am writing the U part. Here itself you can write, because they have asked already U. U means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. All the elements in the diagram is called the universal set. Okay. Next, here U minus A means now you can do this one. This is U. Write the U part first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Minus A. What are the A sets? Already we have written. This is the first A set. No. 2, 4, 7, 8 and 10. So cancel the parts. 2, 2, 4, 4, 7, 7, 8, 8. Next is 10. So the balance is, I am writing here, 1, 3, 6, 10, 11, 12. So this is your A dash. Next is same as B. So if I am subtracting U, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Subtraction of B. 3, 4, 6, 7, 9 and 11. So cancel the parts. Same elements will get cancelled. So remaining 1, 2, 8, 10 and 12. Okay. So this is your B dash. B dash means U minus B. Formula is U minus B. The dash represents the whole minus the part. Okay. Whole U minus A represents A dash. U minus B represents the B dash. If they are given C dash means U minus C. Okay. So that's all, children. Next is the second sum. Find the A union B, A intersection B, A minus B and B minus A. Like this one only, but they have given the sets. Now A union B means you have to join the sets. Okay, here you have 2 and here also you have 2. So write only 1, 2. Next 6, you have only 1, 6. Next is 10. You have only 1, 10. Next is 14. Here also you have 14. Here also you have 14. But you have to write only one time. Next 15 one time and 16. This is your A union B. Next is A intersection B. If you are a little bit confused, you can write one step this A and B and then you can do it. Okay. So I am writing here one more time. 2, 6, 10, 14 intersection 2, 15, 14 and 16. Common terms you have to write. What is the common part? There is no 2 one time. 2, 2. Next is 14 and 14. So 2, 14. Okay. This is your A intersection B. Next A minus B. A minus B means what are the elements? A minus B means first you write the A part. 2, 6, 10, 14 minus what is B? 2, 5, 14 and 16. Cancel the same parts. 2, 2, 14, 14. What I told you in A minus B in subtraction, you have to write the remaining part of the first set. So what are this remaining? 6 and 10. So 6, 10. Next is B minus A. Right? 2, 5, 14, 16 minus 2, 6, 10, 14. What will be the 2, 2 and 14, 14. What is the remaining part of the first set? 5, 16. Okay, so this is your B minus A. Likewise, the third subdivision. See the third subdivision. Less than 10, less than or equal to 10 means you have to write the till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Why should you include 10? Because you have here, what is this set means? This set is called less than or equal to. Equal to means you have to include 10 and this is natural number, so starts with 1. Next is B. It starts with whole number. Whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 because less than 6. So stop with this. Now A union B. How will you write? You have to write all the terms. 0, double 1, so only one time. Double 2, only one time. Double 3, only one time. Double 4, only one time. And double 5, only one time. And 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10. So this is your A union B. A intersection B means mark the common terms 3, 3, 4, 4 and 5, 5. So you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is A minus B. A minus B means write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So minus means cancel the parts. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 and 5. So remaining terms are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because in the first set, this is the remaining. So 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay children. Next is B minus A. What is B? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So cancel the terms. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. So the remaining part in the first set is 0. Okay children.